Hello everyone. Today we have new session of Power BI, and in this session we learn the top n function. Okay. So basically the top n function is return the top n rows of the specified table. Okay. So firstly I want the data because I have no data, so I'm just getting the data. So I'm just go to the document folder, and there is a file, Excel file, the book 4, so I'll select that particular file and open it. So this is the data. Okay, it is loading. So now this is the sheet 1. I select this particular sheet, and in the preview section I am checking all the columns are there. If any extra column is there, or if you want anything need to change, so just press transform data. Otherwise, load the data. Okay, so now table is visible in this section. So my data is uploading up, and data is visible. The table is visible inside the field section. Okay, so this is my data tab. Now I want to filter out the data April of 2016. So how I can filter out April month data? So firstly, I'm just go to the modeling tab and select new table and apply the filter function to get the data from the table. So the first parameter is table, and I select the sheet 1 and filter expression. So I want the April month data. So I type and function and provide the two values here. The first value is 1st of April 2016, and the second value is 30th of April 2016. So I am getting the data between these two dates. So I apply the end function. The first logic is start date, which is greater than equal to, I am typing date 2016, month is 4, day is first, comma, logical 2. Again I select the start date less than equal to date 2016, month is 4 and day is 30, bracket close, enter. So after hit enter, I am getting all the records of the April month. Okay, now my situation is, or now I want the first two records only. Okay, so how I can get the first two records? So I am using TOPN function here. Okay, so TOPN, before filter function, I am typing TOPN and press tab. So the first parameter of the TOPN function is n value, means how many values you want to get. So I want two records, comma, table. So I already have a filter function, and this filter function return a table, comma, order expression. So third parameter is order expression. So I apply, or I select a specific column which we want to apply the ascending or descending order. So I select the field. So I want sales representative. Okay, so according to the sales representative means uh, the ascending and descending order applying on this sales representative column, comma, which order you want to select. So I select the ascending order, bracket close and enter. So these two records which I am getting and function. Okay, but now I don't want this table, so I just delete this table and go back to the report and create a measure inside the sheet 1. Okay, so once this process is complete, then I select the report tab and create the measure inside the sheet 1. So I am click on the report section button. This is by sheet 1 and here I create a measure and apply the TOPN function with the filter function. Okay, so here I type firstly what I type filter. Okay, so the table is sheet 1, filter expression, apply end function, and the start date, that is start date greater than equal to date 2016 4 and 1, comma, the logical to again type start date less than equal to date 2016, comma 4, comma 31. So this return a table. Before filter function I type TOPN. I want two values, means two records of the table. This is the table which I am getting from the filter function. Ordered by expression 1. So here I select the uh, column. So I select the sales representative column and here is the order. So I select the ascending order. So this TOPN function also return a table. Okay. So this is the measure. So I am converting this table value into a single value. How I can convert it? So I type the calculate function before this TOPN expression. So I want the total sum of the sales. So here I type the sales, bracket close, comma, filter 1. I already get a table, means filter table from this function. So I'll just go to the last and close the bracket. And one more thing, before pressing enter, I am typing total or measure sum. I am typing measure sum and enter. Now I select this measure. By default, it is selected this column chart. Now I select the table. So this is the value. This is the total value. Okay, I am just go to the format and increase the text size of the value. So just go down. This is the text size. So I am just increase the text size. Similarly, I am also increasing the header also. So header text size. Okay. So select the column header and go down and select the column header text size. this is the result. This is 1161. So this is the result of total sales of first two records. Okay. So if you have any situation, or if you want uh, to get the n number of records, so you can use this top n function. Okay. Now what I do, I am selecting this slicer, and inside this slicer I am I am selecting this sales representative. Okay. So if I click on this sales representative, see, if I am selecting any sales representative, see, the value is not visible, means this sales representative is not available in our record, means, okay. So if I am selecting this, okay, so this representative is available inside my two records. Okay. So that is the functionality of top n function. So thank you for this session. I hope you easily understand how we can create this top n function. Okay. So thank you.